Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel. I am Hema, I'm a counselor and I read tarot cards intuitively. Today Taurus, I have your February reading for you, okay? Remember, this is a general read, so not everything will resonate with everybody. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Taurus for the month of February. Angels, divine guides, clear messages and guidance for Taurus for the month of February, please. Angels, divine guides, clear messages for Taurus for the month of February, please. Strength. Okay, that's your overall energy, Taurus. We will look into your further energies, but the overall energy, the kind of feeling I'm getting is that you're being asked to be patient, because every good thing to take, being manifested, to come into your reality takes time. Every great or good creation takes time. So you are being asked to be brave, to show your strength, to be patient. Okay, let's see what your other energies are coming for the month of February, Taurus. Excuse me. Aloneness. Okay, feeling isolated, feeling alone, feeling deprived, feeling, oh, but the fruits are ripening. Fruits of your labor, ripeness. Very good. I'm happy for you, Taurus. Postponement. Okay, so something that you have postponed or something you may need to postpone. Let's see. We will do the reading after we have all the cards on the table. Okay, angels, divine guides, clear messages for Taurus, please, for the month of February 2021. You've got one flyer on the floor and one on the table. We're going to take both. We need one more card, divine, please. Angels, divine guides, clear messages for Taurus for the month of February 2021, please. No, these are too many. I'll take one from here. The Queen of Swords. Okay, I can see clarity coming into you. Wait, just give me a moment. I'll pick up the card on the floor. That was Queen of Cups. Okay, so you've got two queens on the board and you've got the Four of Swords. Alright, give me a moment. Let me collect my thoughts. Alright. What I see here is there seems to be a feeling of, being isolated, being lonely, being feeling alone. You may be with people, but feeling alone, feeling lonely, because it looks to me as if you, the energy that I'm picking up is you've put in a lot of efforts and you haven't seen the desired results. Okay, you may have put in 100% and you may have got 20% or 50% result. So that is giving you, so it's, though this card is about feeling lonely, it is talking more to me about feeling dejected, feeling depressed, feeling betrayed also, and feeling unhappy about your situation. Okay, because you put in a lot of efforts and you haven't got the desired results, so not up to the mark of how much effort you have put in. Because what I am being told right now to guide you to is, as I said, the overall energy is talking about strength. Okay, now the strength, you see an elephant there, so it talks about wisdom. You are being asked to look at your situation from a different perspective and be wise about what you're doing, because you have a card of postponement. Now if you look at the card closely, the person is looking, has a frame of mind which is very colorful. This is the dream of this person. Okay, so what that person planted or was dreaming about, worked hard for, looked so colorful, but his reality or her reality is all very dark and gray. Okay, so not very happy. If you look at the expression on the person's face, it's not very satisfied. That is exactly what I was trying to tell you, that your dreams are not yet come to fruition. But what I can see is what the person does not realize, that it's not just that person's dream or the goals that are so beautiful. If you see closely, his clothes or her clothes are also multicolored, it's a rainbow color, but the person does not realize that. The person is only looking at the gray reality. You understand? So this image talks to me about two things. One, that things are not as bad as you are making them out to be. You need to show gratitude. You need to be grateful for what you have. That's the first. And the second is that the dream, you just need to get that structure out of the way. It will merge into your reality. Can you see that? It's like a picture frame. Just get that boundary out. Just cut it out, and you will see that your reality has become all this beautiful multicolored goal that you are looking at, the dream that you have, the vision that you have. So it tells me that the second thing to tell you is that you need to be a little bit patient and just change your perspective. Be grateful. When you are grateful, you realize how many things are working in your favor. Sure, you put in hard 100% and you got only 25% or 40%. Now you realize that I am going to continue putting 100% and in a different manner. Okay, so not just working hard but working smart and being more patient towards the results. And that is when you'll realize that you will receive all the fruits of your labor. This is the ripeness card. So you see, the seed was sown a long time back. The hard work was done a long time back, or is still being done, because when you plant a seed, you need to water it, you need to take care of it, you need to de-weed the farm first, all those different stages. And when the plant is growing, you need to protect it, then you need to give it fertilizers, you need to help it grow, and then when it grows properly, then it bears some flowers, then it bears some fruits, and then the fruits ripen, and then you can pluck them. See, you're being asked to have patience. Okay, because you may not see the fruits right yet, but they are ripening. Okay, they are ripening. The word is ripeness. Okay, so you can't eat a fruit when it is not yet ripe, isn't it? So it has not been given to you yet because it is not yet ready for you. But you see, the sun is just about to rise here. Okay, so it talks to me about not in the far future. Okay, so though we are doing your February reading, understand that energy is very fluid and time is also very fluid. The universal timing is very different to our earthly timing. So it will, the fruits, you are only asked for February to continue doing what you're doing, because what you're doing is doing correctly. Okay, just be more patient and look at things from a different perspective, because you will soon reap the results. Okay, the rewards for all your hard work. Right now, as I said, you just need to change your perspective. You are asked, you're healing right now. You've put in all the hard work and you're tired. This is a very tired energy. This is an exhausted energy. And you're taking a time out. So you're also being asked to do that, because you're asked to be patient. So you need to take some time out from constant thinking and analyzing and worrying about it. Just let it go for a time being. Okay, continue doing what you're doing, but take a break. This is a take a break card. So take a break, heal yourself, heal your mental body, heal your emotional body, heal your physical body, heal your spiritual body. Go for a short picnic or a short vacation if you can somewhere. Revitalize yourself, refresh yourself, because you are being asked to be patient. Okay, you are being asked to show strength and to be patient and to be brave, because being patient is being brave, not only when we are battling. Okay, because you will get the clarity once you're rested properly. She's the Queen of Swords. She's a no nonsense. When I say she, the gender does not matter. Okay, so this energy is about no nonsense. It's a very clear thinking, rational kind of an energy. But what is so special about the Queen of Swords is that she's gone through a lot of battles. She has fought those battles. She's the only queen amongst the other total four queens who fights the battles. Okay, so she's a fighter. She's a warrior. She doesn't give up. So you are representing this energy. So you have fought the battles. Now you need to just be relaxed. You need to take a step back, heal yourself, be patient with yourself, and continue doing the things that you are doing which are correct, and just change your perspective that yes, things will come to me. Believe in that, okay? And because then your final card is the Queen of Cups. Now she is about emotions. She's about emotional stability. She's about feeling fulfilled with what you have, with what you do, and the pleasure it gives you. So your emotional fulfillment will come to you because you are getting the fruits of your labor, which are ripening now. Okay, so it is coming to you. You are being blessed with rewards. Okay, so Taurus, a very good reading for you. The universe only wants you to be more patient, needs to change, wants you to change your perspective and be grateful for what you have, and to look forward to what you are going to get, because you are going to receive. Trust me, you are going to receive. This is a time of healing, being patient, and just taking a step back and sort of refreshing, revitalizing yourself, and then you will get the clarity that you are on the right track. Okay, so Taurus, a very good reading for you. I'm very happy for you. Just be patient, you will get it all. Okay, I wish you all the very best. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Help my channel grow. I'll be seeing you next in my video soon. Namaste.